In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopee to access and print your e-invoices with ease. Whether you need to keep track of your purchases for budgeting purposes or simply like to have a physical copy of your transactions, following these steps will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. First, let's start by heading over to the Shopee website. If you're already familiar with this part, that's great. If not, simply open your preferred browser and type Shopee into the search bar, or directly enter the URL to reach the site. Once you're there, log into your account as all your purchase details will be tied to it. Now that you're logged in, navigate over to your profile. You usually find this option located at the top right corner of the screen, represented by either your username or an icon, depending on how it's customized. Clicking on your profile will expose a drop-down menu or a sidebar encompassing several options tied to your account. From this menu, you want to select My Purchases. This section is essentially the hub for everything you've bought using your Shopee account, neatly categorized for easy access. Once you click on My Purchases, you'll see a detailed list of every item you've ordered, both past and recent. To proceed with obtaining your e-invoice, identify the product whose receipt you want to print. Here, you may need to scroll a little if it was a purchase made some time ago. Once you've located your desired purchase, look for an option labeled View e-invoice. Clicking on this will open up the e-invoice for that specific transaction. With the invoice now visible, you're just a step away from printing it. Usually, there will be a print or download button on the screen. Clicking Print will prompt your device to select a printer, and in no time, you'll have a hard copy in hand. If you opt to download it, you can save the e-invoice as a PDF on your device, which you can print out at your convenience later. And that's it. You're done. Now you know how to access and print your e-invoices from Shopee. This process is not only quick, but also ensures you have a reliable record of your online purchases, which can be handy come tax season or if you need to verify any details of your transaction. Remember, keeping track of your spending is a great financial habit, and having access to your receipts can make returns or warranty claims more manageable. So next time you make a purchase, don't forget to follow these steps to easily acquire your e-invoice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tips and tricks.